All right, good morning, everybody. It is now 9 o'clock today. Me doing this video. Today we'll be talking about something a little more different. Today we'll do something with about earnings. We'll see the highest in my watch list of why it's going up. Okay, but before we start, guys, I do want to mention would love for you to like this video. The reason why is because so I can stay relevant to the YouTube algorithm, that I can be shown not just to you, more importantly, but to other people that haven't seen this video. Also subscribe to this channel, because when you subscribe, it helps me out. It helps the whole world out, helps the whole community out, to making sure that this content gets out there. But it also allows you to know that, that I'm doing really, really well, that I'm giving you the best information. And then we're in this community of able to earn and invest all together. Make sure you also hit the bell button so that you can stay relevant to what I am sharing with you guys, so you guys will get a notification, especially if you hit the bell button and you press all. Okay, so make sure you press bell, and then there's an option all, personalize or customize. Hit all so that you can see everything that I do. All right, today we'll be going over Sangamo. You're like, what's Sangamo? It's SGMO ticker symbol. I'm going to show what happens today. So Sangamo. So I was actually on the EV. We'll go over EV in a little bit. Sangamo went up like crazy. It went up like crazy. Like it went up almost from like $9 all the way to $11.48. You're kind of wondering what Sangamo is. Well, it is a clinical genomic medicine company. The company is focusing on medicines that transform the lives of patients with serious diseases. Now, the thing is with these companies is that there's so many out there. I mean, you don't know what's real, what's fake. I mean, it's tough, right? But they beat earnings. All right. So Zach, analyst, will go over it right here. I believe he was here. Zach, Equities Research. He said, this is about 8 days ago. He did say that if Sangamo gives a surprise in their EPS, we can see a definite increase. And this is kind of what happened. They did show losses, but it wasn't as much as what the analyst said. So they did have 33 cents per loss, or loss per share, which beat the analyst consensus estimate at 34 loss per share. That's a 2.9% difference. Okay, 3,200% decrease over losses of 1% per share. Quarterly sales of 28.56, which beat analysts of 25.19. So, hey, heck yeah. And other than that, their sales seems to decrease over time. So they're actually beating analyst reports. Are they bullish? I do not know. But this, looking at the technical side, it's looking like, the bottom has been done. When we look at the monthly, we can kind of say the same thing. It could be time for it to pump a little bit, but who knows? Again, guys, I'm not your financial advisor. Whatever I do say is just my opinion. So we'll talk about the Fabry, because I believe this is one of the things that their main candidates for treatment is with Fabry disease, hemophilia disease, also thalassemia, which is all blood related. Okay, so this is really, really important to know, because the shares therapeutics, we talked about this. Year-over-year revenue in the quarter declined 51%. I did talk about this, 28.56. So they ran it at 20.6 million. This was primarily due to the 39.3 million decrease related to our Gerotoxin. Guys, let me know if I'm saying that right. I don't think I am. But net losses of 47.7 million. So this company is losing. But hey, if you're playing earnings, why not? Because if you're playing earnings, like I do sometimes, is I don't really focus too much. I just focus on the fundamentals side. But that's not like my type of trading style. And you need a trading plan, guys. If you don't have a trading plan, get one. Create one. Okay, my trading plan is I'll do earnings based off of the company that I do like. So Sangamo Therapeutics, I did not hear about this until maybe a month ago. Put some shares in just to see if it'll pop, because it was really at a cheap price point. I got it around I got a couple months ago. So it was around September. So I got it at a high rate. So I'm still up. I definitely sold because I was holding the bag for a long time. And I knew that was going to happen because I didn't know much about the company. I believed in it, but then in a way that I knew that it was going to go back down. So when I knew earnings was going to come up the next 2 months, boom, it went up. So that's kind of like, you're not gambling, but I was definitely going to hold it for at least 6 months. But from this surprise, from the earnings, I just went ahead and sold my positions. So that's kind of like how I do it. People may look at it as gambling, but if you're already going to invest in it, if you have money saved up, like, if you have like $500 or $1,000 and you're like, I don't really need this right now, you could go ahead and put it into a company where you believe it. Don't do it like what I did at Sangamo. I didn't put that much money in Sangamo. But then I do dollar cost averages like Lucid. Lucid's earnings report is coming out on the 15th. So that's going to be really, really exciting for us holders out there. You're up. We could be up more or we could be down less. So it's one of those things where you got to be patient. Because you know why? Being patient pays. I'm telling you that. Patient pays. All right. So Sangamo, this is their website. And this is like one of their biggest the research is here. And then I know for Webull, it shows right here. Oh, we already had that, y'all. We already had that. Okay, is this one? Oh, we already had that either. All right, so I'm lost right now. The preliminary Sangamo. Here we go. Support Sangamo for everybody's gene therapy candidate. So this is kind of like one of the big news that happened today too, and that's probably why it went haywire bullish. And then we'll go talk about Lucid. So since we're here. Look at the EV market, NEO. NEO is not looking the same as always. NEO have some positions on NEO. This is a China EV market. I do believe this is going to go up to around 70 at the end of the year. It's according to tip ranks as well, and some analysts also believe that. Tesla, my goodness, look at that. Back to 1243, not back, but 1243. Was wondering about the Tesla and Hertz deal. There's no contract that has been signed. Let me say that again. No contract has been signed, so we gotta wait, see what's going on. But Tesla is moving regardless, guys, regardless of that Hertz contract. Blink to charging station. Volta, my favorite, guys. Volta, I'm telling you, Volta just added a new station. Where? Topgolf. Everyone loves Topgolf, right? Even if you don't even like Topgolf, it's like the fact that Volta is moving on to these bigger businesses. I mean, they had Bed Bath and Beyond, or was it, or Home Decor a couple of weeks ago? They added charging stations in Six Flags. So the kind of their main deal is to put charging stations where people are already shopping at. This is their CEO, right? So I know there's a whole bunch of EV stations or EV charging stations, but Volta is revolutionizing the game. If you see this right here, this is the advertising that the companies can use to show the consumer what's happening in Topgolf or whatever. If you're in Target and you want to market yourself, you can put it there too. If you're like a real estate agent that wants to get their name out there, these guys are the way to go, right? Because more than likely, if you're a real estate agent and people have electric vehicles, they're kind of smart with their money. I'm not saying if you don't have it, you're not, but people that have an EV, they tend to be a little more different with their money, right? So they want a good deal. They want to know what's going on. They want to see the sales and so on and so forth. So if you're a business owner, this could really help you a lot. So that's kind of like what Volta is. And guys, I'm going. So in these earnings report, what I'm going to do, I'm going as I'm going. So if you notice in my channel, it's not scripted like most of these YouTubers do. I mean, I feel that if the YouTube creator is transparent and live, like how I'm doing it right now. I mean, it's not live, but I'm not editing this audio at all. So I'm not editing at all. You're getting me real and grit. I think this is, where am I going with that? Well, I'm just saying, I'm doing this all for you guys, pretty much. Okay, so I'm looking at the markets real time as you guys. 9 o'clock, kind of late, because I did some research earlier today, and I also work. So I'm on my break doing this for y'all. But anyways, so yeah, Topgolf plans to expand its relationship with Volta in new markets, so they're gonna grow. All right. Topgolf prioritizes providing a best-in-class guest experience for all, said Ronnie Farrell, Vice President, Global Partnerships, Topgolf. Awesome. I know that guy. Just kidding. He's a good guy. Just kidding. I don't know if he's a good guy. Our partnership with Volta provides our guests with an easy, convenient way to charge their electric vehicles while also enhancing the overall experience of visiting Topgolf. That's beautiful, right? That's beautiful. So with the Volta, I see this popping up everywhere. I see this popping up in more malls, more businesses like Topgolf, Dave & Buster's, Peter Piper Pizza, I don't know, Chuck E. Cheese, everywhere, like just everywhere, because you know why? The EV market's going to grow. Lucid is going to, supposedly it's going to have more vehicles this year. In fact, well, they have to fill the 527, but they have to also generate more next year. So the EV market is going to grow a lot. So I might going to have to buy one now. But I need a van. If they have an electric van, that'd be great, because we're a growing family too. So we need something more on the electric side. But I know they have the Toyota EV, that's a Toyota van. That was pretty awesome. So I kind of like that. But I do want myself to get myself a Lucid, maybe a Tesla. Who knows? All right, guys. That's pretty much it for today. I'm going to go ahead and make another video at the end of when the market closes, so that we can do a little more of a recap. I know there's aftermarket earnings. This is a little bit more before. So, guys, if you like this video, definitely give me a like, so that I can stay relevant, so that this can be shown to other people. If you want to support this channel, which I hope you would and will like, please consider subscribing, and hit the notification bell, which is that bell button on the right side, so that whatever videos I do make, it'll be for you. So again, guys, this channel is for you. I'm compiling all the videos, analysts, I'm kind of all the YouTubes in one stock, preferably the EV market, some crypto, and then giving you all the information. So I'm doing these videos pretty much daily, so you get that information, because I know you guys work. I know some of you all go to school. I know I got some emails saying that, like, can you go over this stock? And I'm putting it all together for you guys. All raw, no edited videos. If anything that's edited, just my thumbnail. But I'm doing this all for you guys. And I did mention this to my wife, that once I do get monetized, the earnings I get from being monetized through AdSense, I'm going to place that in a portfolio, and you guys are going to tell me what to invest in. All right. If you tell me what to invest in, I'm going to go and put the money in there. And then we could just watch it grow all together. And then this is where we truly make the money together. And that's kind of what I want to do, is make a portfolio for you guys, make some giveaways, give the money back to you, whatever it is, because I mean, you guys are the one that's making me grow. And thank you again for the 50 subscribers that I got. I mean, that means a lot. I mean, I haven't been even on for like more than a week, and you guys have been great, and sharing and liking it. I know it's not much, but this is something that I enjoy doing. So again, I put some time and effort to this, even though if I'm going live and not editing it, this is all raw. It does take some of my time away from my kids, my family, doing the research and everything for you guys. So I hope you enjoy. Have a great Thursday. This is pretty much Friday Eve, so you guys have fun. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Let's have a conversation. Take care. God bless. If you don't believe in God, May the force be with you. Take care.